Good morning, guys. I am out here again. This is the third time this week. Man, I am a lucky man. My wife let me come out here 3 times this week. Wow, she is just awesome. Part of the reason was because I got a double, 2 bull reds at once, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So hopefully today we'll get something similar to that. Some more bull reds. The bull reds are running. Everybody's been catching them, so see if we can hook up into a few of them today. We're just doing catch and release today. I still got fish left over from the last time I kept fish. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a great day. And like I said, if you see me out here, see this blue kayak out here with this neat rod setup, make sure you say hi. My name is Joe, and I'm usually out here once a week, sometimes 2 times a week. So you see me out here, make sure you say hi. Let's see if we can get hooked up onto one of these big redfish, guys. We'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, not even a few minutes after I said that intro, I got hooked up. Oh yeah, this is a good one too, guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, get my lines in so I don't get tangled up. Whoa, and he took my rod. That's all right. I got a float on that bad boy. There he goes. Get rid of this line. Oh, now we're on a rescue mission, guys. That's why you always have floats on your rod, guys. I'm keeping an eye on that rod. I might go and rescue it. Alright. There he goes. Let's go get my rod. Whew. That is the first. All right. There we go. Let's get it with this rod. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's get this fish, guys. We gotta get him now. It's making me look like a fool. Whoa. There he is. He's already on top. Ooh, it's a beautiful day out here, guys. This guy is going in circles. There he is. It's a decent sized one, guys. Yeah. This is a strong guy. Not a bull red, not what we're after, but it gets the skunk out. We will take it. Oh, there you go, there you go. Now he's making a mess of things. Oh, he's on my downrigger and everything. There we go. All right, we got him, guys. Woo! That's one way to start the morning. I'll take it. Well, there he is, guys. Another solid good redfish right there. And this guy is a 22 and 7/8, almost 23 inches. Nice little solid redfish. Beautiful table fare right there. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. See you later. See you later, guy. Come on. There he goes. He didn't know he was free. Catch y'all back in a bit, guys. All right, guys, we're hooked up again. This feels like a pretty good fish. I think he's swimming towards me. He felt weird. He bit it. I think he let it go. And then he came back and bit it again. It felt like he dropped it. But I think he's just swimming towards me. Let's see. Let's see what he wants to do. Whoa. He doesn't feel very big. Let's back up a bit. There he is. There he is, guys. Yeah, he's a little guy. He's probably a keeper. Probably keeper number 2. Whoa, he's trying to leave. He is trying to go. I'm gonna let you go in a little bit, buddy. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whoa, yeah, he is not cooperating. This is a 21-inch fish. It's a nice, solid little fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful little eater. That's a good looking specimen right there, guys. All right, go back to fight another day, guy. Go get bigger, get 31 inches. And there he goes, guys. All right, guys. Oh, this is an interesting fish right here. All right. I was actually thinking I was hitting bottom of my downrigger, but I had this guy on. Oh, look at all that, look at that mess. Let me reel in these lines first. Yeah, let's go after him. Ooh, feels like a good fish, guys. Hopefully he's that bull red we're looking for. It's nice overcast out here. Doesn't feel like it's too hot, too cold. It's probably about 75 degrees. It's perfect weather out here, guys. Oh, there he is. He's not a bad guy. He's not a huge guy. Not a small guy either. I'm gonna need a net for this one, that's for sure. Oh, he is barely hooked on there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hooked. Yep. Looks like it's a job for the fish grips, guys. I hooked my net. And we got him, guys. Woo, what a mess. What a mess. Wouldn't have it any other way, guys. And let's get a measurement on this beauty. This is gonna be a 26 7/8, guys. So not the bull red we're looking for, but I will take that fish any day of the week. All right, guy. He had a lot of fight earlier. Let's see how much fight he's got left. Let's revive him a bit. He's ready. There he goes. All right, guys. Another beautiful day out here at Calaveras Lake. That's number 2. One more for my limit. And we'll call it a day, guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys. I think we found the school of fish. I don't know if there's a bull red, but definitely something. Picked off one of them already. Trying to get another one. Hopefully we'll get hooked up here in a second. Sorry if there's any wind noise. So yeah, the next until about next week, I'm gonna be doing some just looking for the schools of fish. So whenever I get into the tournament, I have a good chance of catching a big one. But after that, we'll start doing some fun videos, testing out some lures. Ooh, little wavy right here. That's good lure action right there. Gives my lures a little bit of extra action. But we'll start testing out some new things, guys. And then hopefully soon we'll go hit up the Nueces River and start fishing for those white bass. Should be fun. I've actually never done it before. I've heard about it, and I'm really looking forward to doing that. It should be a lot of fun. And it's probably gonna be the same style of fishing, just trolling. Maybe I'll stop and cast a little bit. But yeah, that's my preferred method, trolling, because you get your baits in the water a lot longer versus casting and retrieving. It's a very short period of time where your lure is actually in the strike zone. So this is my preferred method. It's more efficient. And I like to fish with 2 lines, but if it's slow, or if you're out here kayaking, just looking at the fish finder, sometimes you get bored, like might as well drop another line, So before you know it, you have 4 or 5 lines out sometimes. But there's pros and cons to that, because it's definitely more work, especially with downriggers and stuff like that. But it's definitely worth it. I think the trade-off is you catch more fish. And I've definitely seen that. I've caught a lot more fish ever since I've been using more than just 2 lines and just straight trolling. Sometimes you gotta use a downrigger. And I usually always have 1 downrigger that I'm using. Sometimes I do 2. And sometimes I can do up to 4 lines on just on downriggers. So that's pretty neat. And that's usually when I'm going through a stretch where it's gonna be pretty deep for a while. I don't like to be messing with them too much. If I have 4 lines on my downriggers, be adjusting them every so often. So it's usually whenever I'm in a deeper part of the water and the fish are a little bit deeper and it's hard for me to get down there with just regular baits, I'll do that. But hopefully we'll get hooked up here in a second, and we'll get back with y'all in a little bit, guys. All right, guys, it's been a little while since we got hooked up. We got hooked up again, and doesn't feel too big, but it's a good one. It's a keeper, and we'll take it. All right. It's been overcast all day today, so it's been really nice. No sun. Any day you get no sun, and it's not hot, it's not too cold. It's a beautiful day in my book, guys. Went through these fish, but I guess they weren't hungry, but this one was hungry. Hungry. There he is. There he is, guys. And we got him. Alright, another fish in the boat, guys. Just got a measurement on this guy. Let me get my other line in. I haven't had the action like we did last time when we were catching doubles, but I will take it, guys. Get a measurement on this guy. This is a nice solid fish. This is a good eater right here. Nice solid 22 incher, and he's very green still. This is a good looking fish, guys. Look at that fish. Wow, what a beautiful fish. All right, guys. He's leaving. Well, that's our limit, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, for more videos coming out very soon. Like I said, this next week or so I'll be mainly fishing for tournament mode. But after that we'll do some fun fishing. There he goes, guys. Go to Nueces River, catch some of them white bass. Hope it's a lot of action, more action, the funnier it is in my opinion. All right, guys, so see you back in a bit.